Elevate your style with laser-crafted denim decorations that will set you apart from the crowd. The future of fashion is here with laser-crafted technology that brings denim to new heights with stunning decorations. Experience the future with this mind-blowing innovation that will leave you speechless. Say goodbye to messy cuts and hello to precision with this life hack using chopstick-inspired sticks on cardboard. Transform your cutting game with this geometry-based method for executing the perfect tricky corner cut. Elevate your home decor with the unique and creative geometric adhesive application method specifically designed for diagonal tile installation. Upgrade your cutting skills with this simple yet effective life hack using a pen and a wire. Elevate your cleaning game with this washing rubber designed for reaching those hard-to-reach spots. Eliminate the frustration of tangled cords with this innovative life hack that acts like magic. Experience the next level decorating with the giant fake brick stamp roller. This powerful tool allows you to achieve a brick wall illusion with ease. Create a beautiful half-moon-shaped step landing that will add elegance and style to your home using hand tools and the frame. Bring your circle drawings to the next level with the power of geometry. Whether you're an artist, designer, or engineer, these methods will help you achieve professional results. Experience the future of welding with handheld laser welding. This cutting-edge technology allows for precise and efficient weldings of various materials, making it the perfect solution for industrial and manufacturing applications. Upgrade your painting game with this simple life hack. All you need is a broken cloth hanger attached to a driver, and you'll be able to mix paint like a pro. Say goodbye to gaps and uneven baseboards with this simple trick. By cutting the end piece of the baseboard at a 45-degree angle and flipping it, you can ensure a tight and seamless fit. Don't let your old propane tanks go to waste. Crush them for scrap metal and repurpose them into something new. Get ready to be amazed as wet cement is molded to mimic roofing tiles on another level. This advanced technique takes cement craftsmanship to the next level, creating unique and intricate designs that will impress even the most discerning of critics. Watch as this technique will transform your roof like never before. Meet the master of his craft, delivering best painting services with precision and attention to detail. Experience the unloading process like never before as PVC pipes are unloaded in a moonwalk dance style. Get ready to be amazed as a solid piece of metal is transformed into a trailer hitch in minutes. Achieve professional results for your crafting projects with this simple trick, using an old music CD to trace for a perfect cut. This simple yet effective solution uses the weight and shape of the filled plastic bag to block water flow, making it perfect for small-scale projects. Introducing the new Sheriff in Town, a tool that can safely and effectively stop police chases. This cutting-edge technology is a game changer for law enforcement, making it safer for both police officers and the public. Watch as woodworking is transformed and taken to another level. With advanced tools and techniques, the new level of craftsmanship is pushing the limits of what's possible with wood. Experience a new level of efficiency with fastening two bolts with this innovative technique using a two-handed strap. This simple yet effective solution allows for quick and easy tightening of bolts. Be impressed by the Employee of the Month who used to be a dancer but found his true calling in construction. Meet the amazing apple peeler, a revolutionary tool that makes apple peeling a breeze. Be amazed as a coat of decorative render finish is applied to a wall, followed by a faux grout line and a red finish, only to be pulled off to reveal a fake brick wall. Be amazed by the amazing workers who are defying the odds with their manual hard work. With their relentless effort and dedication, they are proving that true success is earned through hard work and determination. Efficiently remove baseboards with this new method using a gold lat trim puller and a hammer for quick and clean removal. Transform your brickwork with these amazing brick painting tool hacks that take it to another level. It can print realistic brick patterns on a variety of surfaces, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our community for more amazing content. Thank you for watching.